Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're on Avis. This is going to be a hair review from the company Chinalacewig. So this came in this silk bag. I thought the packaging was amazing. You guys saw it on my Instagram when I first got it and I posted it. The website is Chinalacewig.com. I was sent a 22 or 24 inch curly unit. It's a lace front and it was pre-plucked hairline, so I had to go in and do too much plucking at all. I didn't pluck nothing at all. I had put a little bit of baby hairs out and I came up with this style for you guys today. I wanted something really bold and like, you know, really cute and sassy, and I found these cute little hair beads at the hair store, and it was like $1.99, and they had like the little crosses on them. I have some with the heart, so I said, you know what, I'm going to put them in my hair and it's going to be super cute, and it's really cute. So anyway, you guys, I did the tutorial for you guys, very similar to the other one I did. It's the same process, but it's just, I'm breaking it down in the video as to how to do it. So don't you worry, I got you. So just continue to watch. All the information for this hair, this wig, will be in the description bar, as well with any discount codes and all that good jazz. So be sure to click below and be sure to thumbs up, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay ladies, you're going to first start off by parting your hair. How far over do you want your hair to be? You can do your whole frontal hairline, your whole front portion, or you can just do the middle portion, side portion. It's totally up to you. I decided to do just like the middle portion, so I can do it into like 3 sections. You can do more if you choose to. It's totally up to you, like I mentioned before. Now this is a lace front unit, and I did not bleach it nice. I didn't do anything to it. I just basically went in and just did this hairstyle. Now one thing I want to let you guys know is definitely bleach or not, if you want a more crystal clean look. I kind of had a hard time doing this tutorial because I'm like watching myself doing on camera. It's not like I did with my other unit. I actually had it on my mannequin and I controlled my parting areas. I could see everything was like crisp and nice and neat, but it still came out very beautiful. So yeah, if you really want to do this look, I prefer you to put it on your mannequin head and then put it on your head once you're finished styling, because it was hell, you guys. Trying to do this style and looking at the camera and doing all this, it was hell. So yeah, anyway, keep watching and I'll be back later. If not, you already know. See you next time.